getting a late start, but it's not gonna matter. Ugh. It's dry, just like I wanted. The first thing I need to do is actually take off this stupid bolt that snapped for the battery, so I can make a battery tray. After that, I want to protect the cylinders, so I'm going to use that. It has spark plugs. It'll work for now, just to keep the water out. And also use the little cover thing, I forgot what it's called right now. Finally. I figured with all the heat and the friction from the drill, it would wiggle out. There it is. Piece of crap. I left them soaking in PB Blaster, so this should be good to go. Let me just get this stupid package open, because I lost all of my spark plug sockets, and luckily I bought two. There you go. Let's see. Let's use a little one for now. Too big. What? Okay. What the hell? Where's my hammer? Let's see if this works. That worked. Whoops. I thought it was like magnetic. Guess not. Maybe that was the problem. These are not magnetic sockets. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know why I took those out, considering I just checked the trunk and I have them back there. I have the old ones that are actually somewhat clean, so I don't have to deal with all that grease. Oh, what the? It's dry. Two, three, whoops. Oh yeah, the battery box. The old one. I could probably still use those. And that's why I'm trying to use another one that's aluminum. Look at the difference. The middle one completely covered in grease. The other one I got from the trunk. And this one over here on the side, I cleaned up with a wire brush. I didn't use any gaskets. A little gasket maker, so this is loose on all of them. But I think this is where I'm gonna call it. There's really not much left to do. And tomorrow I'm gonna continue with this. Oh, it's right over there. That's the old battery box, the battery tray. So getting rid of that, but I will try to save the legs if I can, but we'll see tomorrow.